Hello friends, Yomi Amy here. Today I'll be unboxing Bangtan Sonyeondan's repackaged album, Wings, You Never Walk Alone, the left version and the right version. And after seeing the photos that they released before the albums came out, and some spoiler photos from the album, I know there will be a lot of dying happening, but I will try not to make weird noises the whole time. Try being the keyword. I've also seen the photo cards, and although I really want a J-Hope photo card the most, since he's my bias, my ultimate bias, I would be happy with any of the photo cards because they all look amazing. So let's begin with the left version, and I am not ready to die. Okay, so here's the front, and the back. They all look so happy. Side. Okay. So far so good. No death happening. Lollipop. Oh. So here's a track list. Almost couldn't see that. I'm okay. I'm okay. That's a nice picture. Why? No. I can't handle this, you guys. I love his hair. It's like pink and purple hair. Oh, that's so cute. That little expression, little scrunchy nose. Jimin. J-Hope's doing it too. Oh, so soft and cuddly. Bus stop. I would like that to be at the bus stop. I would go to the bus stop every day. I mean, what? What you guys doing? Lyrics. Lyrics. Oh, Cookie has a lollipop too. Why does everybody have to look so amazing this comeback? I love Suga's hair. Nope. It kind of looks like he has a little bit of pink or something in his hair. I like it. Oh, there's some stuff. I'll save that for later. That's a cute expression on his face. Why? Why with the lollipops? And I really like that color on the Ratman. Hashtag forehead. Are you sleeping, Sugar? Don't wake him up. He might get mad. Oh, that expression is adorable. More lyrics. And more lyrics. Why? Why you do this to me, boy? Oh, lyrics. Oh, they are so cute. Lyrics. Ah, the rooftop pictures. Okay, focus. I know you're excited too, camera. Gotta focus. Okay, really? Who cares? Can I see the boys? Mm-hmm. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Butterfly. Like a butterfly. Oh, wrong album, sorry. Okay, seriously? I guess it's better than like a blank page. What you doing, boy? You got a lollipop too? That smile is beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, nope, you can go away. Stop that. Oh, I like this picture. It's really cool. I love how many pictures there are. So many pictures to look at. These are actually kind of cool. All red like. Huh. Why? Okay. Stand up thingy. Oh, so cute. Yay. Oh, that made me very, very, very happy. On to the next one. See at the front, the back. Kim Tae-hyung, what did you eat to become so hot? I mean, what? Did you say something? Look at Chin and Cookie eating all cozy. Dang, Cookie's legs are very muscular. Okay, I really need to stop. Side. I think this one's gonna be worse for me because I liked these concept photos more. So we'll see if I survive. Checklist is the same as the last one. Oh, I like that picture. Okay, not gonna lie, that looks disgusting. Why would you want to eat that? It looks like there's flowers in it. Why would you eat flowers? Well, it matches the shirt. Why? I'm okay, guys. I think. What are you doing? Why are you looking at me like that? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. No, 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 no. Blank page. Yes, yes. Very, very nice. Very nice. Can I just say this again? I love his purple hair. That hashtag for it. Seriously, that looks disgusting. Lyrics. Oh, they gave you one. It's pretty, but it also looks disgusting. I wouldn't want to eat that. Not even going to say anything to you. Not even going to say anything to you. Nope. Nope. His doesn't look that bad. Kind of looks marbly, but the flowers aren't super obvious. So that one, I mean, I can still see flowers. No, okay, but I kind of want this one blown up as a poster. Look at that smile. And I like his pink hair. Hashtag for it. Okay, no, that's not allowed. Why are you doing Hikyo? I hate you all. I hate you all. Yay, so much fun. So much confetti. Someone's gonna have to clean that up. Oh, that looks fun. Oh, dude, it's like a machine thingy. Squirting it out. Oh, that looks so much fun. It's having a blast. Yes. It makes me so happy. Look at that mess. Farkly mess. expression of pure joy. It makes me so happy. You guys, I'm dying here. I'm dying. And nobody cares. Oh. I want to jump in it. I know it would be messy, but I really want to jump in it. It's a very nice expression on his face. Excuse you. Okay, that makes me very, very, very happy. I'm happy. Oh. Oh boy. Oh no, I'm okay. I'm not really though. So not okay. Okay, who did this to him? I blame Hwarang for making him even more beautiful than he already was. Seriously, they're very, very cozy right there. Why are you biting your lip at me, sir? Don't appreciate it. Yes. Make a mess. Why must you torture me like this? Creeping in the background. Okay, no, you cannot roll up your sleeves like that. No, and have a bunch of chalk or whatever that is on your hands. Nope, nope, not allowed. But they are having so much fun, and that makes me happy. Yes, dab, dab. Focus. Oh, that's a nice picture. Oh, I like that one too. Yes. You know, the one thing I don't like about this picture is Just making sure. That's who I think it is. Chin's face is cut off. His head, entire head is cut off. Just like J-Hope's lines in, what's the song called? Spring Day. Okay, then this one, oh yeah, it's not exactly the same. Oh, well, you know it is. Cool. 2 stand-up poster thingies, or not, what are these called? Whatever. These thingies. Chimmy. Actually didn't show you the back of Red Ones. Oh, and I love you too, Chimmy. Okay, but I still want a J-Hope one. I like these, but I still want a J-Hope one. I'll have to find one somewhere. Someone who will trade. Maybe. Okay, so that was BTS, You Never Walk Alone. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to watch more like it, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.